to the White Slate Padhai. I hope you all are doing well at your house. And as I'm here, so obviously we are going to do the padhai of something. So that thing is light. So what are the various topics that we are going to cover today? Those topics are, first of all, what is light? We will see that what exactly light is. Then we will see various properties of light. Then we will discuss the first property, that is light travels in a straight line, in detail. So let's get started. Whenever you hear the word light, then what is the first thing that comes in your mind? Everyone, please write this down in the comment box, that what is the first thing that you get when you hear the word light. I think mostly you will be getting this thing that light is a kind of energy, or you can say that we are able to see various things because of the light. Others can also think of the sunlight. So these are the various possible outcomes which you all will be having. So if someone is thought that light is a kind of energy, then of course it is very true. In reality, light is a kind of energy. Then we all know one more thing, that without this light energy, we won't be able to see anything. All the things which are visible to us are just because of this light. Just imagine if I put on a blindfold on your eyes and then ask you to be there, live your life only for 1 hour, then also it would be very difficult for you to live your life for that whole 1 hour, because without our eyes, without the light, we won't be able to survive. We won't be able to see the things. So that is why the light energy is very important to us. Now, light energy gives things colors, it helps plants to grow, it can power solar batteries to make electricity, and is used in lasers. So these are the various uses of light energy. It is helping us in each and every aspect. The first and the foremost aspect is that it helps plants to grow. So when the plants are growing, they are providing us with food, and that is why we are able to survive. They are also providing us with oxygen. So if light energy was not there, plants will not be able to make their food, and in turn we won't be able to survive. The next thing is properties of light. You may see that whenever there is light present in some room or somewhere, when it's coming out of the window, if it is obstructed by something, if something comes in between, then it stops there only. You cannot see it going further. So it means that light travels in a straight line. If there is something present in the way, then it will stop there only, or it will change the direction. Okay, how it will change the direction? If the thing which is coming in its way is shiny, it's very shiny, then it will get reflected. The light will change its path. It's something like the bouncy ball. If you will take a bouncing ball, and if you just hit it on the ground or on some surface, then it bounces back. So similarly, the light also comes in contact with shiny surface, then it bounces back, and this phenomena is known as reflection of light. Always, due to reflection of light, the direction of the light gets changed. The third property of the light is that it's not quite possible always that it will change its direction because of reflection. The other thing could be that if the mediums change, it means earlier the light was traveling in air, but now it has entered inside the water, or there is some glass present in the way of the light. So this light energy will come and it will get into the glass material, and then it will come out of it, but the direction would be now different. When it passes on inside another medium like glass or inside the water, then it bends a little bit. So here comes our third property, that light bends on passing through different mediums. Then the fourth property of the light is that it gets dispersed into 7 colors when passed through a prism. This is what I am saying, but we will also do the practical of it when we will be discussing this last one, that whether the light is really made up of 7 colors or not. So we will just verify this thing. Then comes, let's discuss our first property, that is light travels in straight line in detail. So we all have experienced this thing in our life, that whenever we burn a candle or the light is coming out of our tube lights or out of the sun, then it is always coming in a straight line. But then also some of us may say that light is scattering in all the directions, like when we are glowing it, when we are watching our tube light, then it is filling whole of our room with the light. So we cannot just say that it's coming in straight line. सारे रूम में लाइट कैसे हो रही है अगर स्ट्रेट लाइन में नहीं आ रही है. सो फॉर दिस वी कैन डू वेरियस एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. द फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट इज, we have to take a candle and we have to take two pipes. One pipe would be straight and the other pipe would be bended one. You can also see in the diagram that how if you look forward with the straight pipe, then you would be able to see the light. You would be able to see the candle flame clearly. But when you see it through the bended pipe, then you won't be able to see the candle flame. Why you are not able to see the candle flame? Because here the light is getting blocked because of this bent, because of this pipe which is coming in between. We are not able to see the light energy now. But yes, you would be able to see it in the first case, that is when the pipe was straight. The second experiment that comes in way is, here you will have 3 squared size cardboard pieces and then we will place them in a way as shown in the picture. So what we are exactly doing here, that we will take 3 cardboard pieces, we will mark them as A, B and C, and then we will make a hole in between these. The hole should be concentric. It means that at the same place where the A is having the hole, there only the B cardboard should also have the hole, and there only the C cardboard will also have the hole. Now when we will watch a candle, through these holes we would be able to see the candle flame. We would be able to see the light as you can see in the picture. Then what we will do, we will move the B cardboard piece in some different direction in such a way that we are not able to have all these 3 holes in a straight line. So what will happen now if we will do this thing, that we will now be able to see the cardboard which is present in the B cardboard. As there is no hole, so our eyes won't be able to see the light which is coming out of the candle. So this way we prove that light travels in a straight line. These experiments are also being done in real, and the videos would be uploaded for these later on, and the links would also come in the description of these ones. This is all for today. Thank you all for being with me and watching my videos and giving us so much of love. Please watch the videos till end to help me more, and if you like, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. The next video will be on reflection of light, so stay tuned for that.